In Industry Season 3, Episode 3, the tension escalates as the fallout from Lumi's disastrous IPO continues to wreak havoc within Pierpoint and beyond. The episode opens with a high-stakes conference call between the volatile CEO of Lumi, Henry Muck, and Pierpoint's top brass, led by Eric Tao. The call is a masterclass in deflection as Henry desperately tries to shift the blame for Lumi's stock market nosedive. His arrogance and refusal to accept responsibility create a palpable sense of unease, foreshadowing the battles yet to come. Eric, already under immense pressure, is pulled into a private meeting with Wilhelmina Fassbinder, a senior manager at Pierpoint. What initially appears to be an opportunity for redemption quickly turns into a daunting challenge. Fassbinder tasks Eric with the nearly impossible mission of restoring Pierpoint's credibility in the wake of Lumi's catastrophic market debut. The financial community is rife with speculation that Pierpoint grossly overvalued Lumi's stock, leading to its sharp decline and causing other companies to reconsider using Pierpoint for their own IPOs. The stakes are raised even higher when Bill Adler, the global head of FICC and a key figure in Lumi's launch, takes a leave of absence, effectively suspended for his role in the debacle. This leaves Eric in an even more precarious position, now responsible for managing the fallout and guiding Pierpoint through the storm. Fassbinder's message is clear. This is Eric's last chance to prove his worth and salvage Pierpoint's reputation, especially as their recent focus on ESG investments is now in jeopardy. The narrative shifts to a prestigious climate change business conference in Switzerland, where Pierpoint and Lumi's representatives, including Eric, Yasmin, and Robert, are set to attend. Recognizing the importance of this conference for Pierpoint's future, Eric decides to bring Robert along, despite their recent tensions. Robert's deep involvement in the Lumi project makes him a critical asset, especially as they prepare for a public session where Lumi's future will be scrutinized. Meanwhile, Harper Stern, still reeling from her ousting from Pierpoint, sees an opportunity to claw her way back into the finance world. Now working at Future Dawn, Harper aligns herself with Petra Koenig, a rebellious portfolio manager at odds with Future Dawn's CEO, Anna Gearing. Frustrated by Anna's conservative investment strategies, Petra decides to strike out on her own and offers Harper a significant role in her new venture. Petra's plan is audacious. She aims to poach investors at the climate change conference, hoping to lure them away from Future Dawn. Harper, eager to prove her worth and settle old scores, eagerly joins Petra's risky venture. However, their initial efforts to attract serious clients fall flat, and Petra begins to lose hope. But Harper, ever the strategist, devises a bold plan to turn things around. During the public session at the conference, where Lumi's struggles are the focal point, Harper seizes the moment to undermine Eric. She poses a series of cutting questions that cast doubt on Lumi's viability, sending shockwaves through the room and causing investors to panic. Harper's daring move catches the eye of Peter Ferguson, a powerful businessman impressed by her fearlessness. He decides to invest in Petra's new venture, instantly transforming Harper and Petra into major players in the financial world. The episode builds to a tense confrontation between Eric and Harper. Now backed by influential investors, Harper approaches Pierpoint not as a supplicant, but as a potential client. Eric is left reeling, stunned by Harper's resurgence and the realization that he will now have to contend with her from a position of weakness. This sets the stage for an epic power struggle between the two in the episodes ahead. Yasmin, meanwhile, reveals her own ruthless ambitions. She manipulates Henry Muck into considering leaving Lumi, effectively sealing the company's fate. Her actions seem driven by a desire to secure her own financial future, potentially by aligning herself with Henry, an aristocratic billionaire, as her personal and professional debts mount. The episode closes with Yasmin solidifying her influence over Henry, hinting at a deeper, more strategic plan that will likely unfold in future episodes. Overall, Episode 3 of Industry Season 3 is a riveting exploration of corporate ambition, power plays, and the lengths to which individuals will go to secure their place at the top. With characters like Harper, Eric, and Yasmin making bold moves, the stage is set for even more explosive confrontations as the season progresses. The episode masterfully weaves together the personal and professional stakes, ensuring that the drama remains as intense as ever.